Just look at this, what an amazing view. The one bow design on this. You can also just swipe. We have the rear axle steering up to 10 degrees in the opposite direction. Listen to the sound. Sounds like a spaceship. The sound, and just turn it off or on. It's like the exhaust button back in the days. Hello guys, I am back. Today welcoming you in a special location with a special car. Here we have the brand new 2022 model EQS-AMG, the Mercedes-AMG EQS53 in specific. And we are right now in Los Angeles at an amazing location with the beach in the background, great weather. And in today's video I will be doing a full walk around with this EQS53, including the exterior, afterward the interior, showing you all the highlights and finish it all off with a resume. So let's get it on. Let's talk about this car here in specific. I presented you the brand new EQS-AMG at the IAA in Munich this year. And here we have it in Sodalite blue. I presented it in black back in the days. This here is the EQS53 AMG. It's a 4matic Plus, so it's an all-wheel drive vehicle. Full electric S-Class, now also available as an AMG. Let's talk about the performance, guys. We are talking about 484 kilowatts, which is about 658 horsepower, 0 to 100 in just 3.8 seconds, which is quite impressive. We'll demonstrate you the performance of that in the future. Also, Mercedes released the starting price of this, and it's starting at 152,000 euros in Germany, making it 17,000 euros more expensive than the EQS 580, the non-AMG version. But yeah, less talking, let's just get right into it and start with the walk around, guys. Just look at this, what an amazing view. Oh my god, in Germany it's just full rain, but here in the US, in Los Angeles, we have an amazing weather. At this point, huge thanks for Mercedes Benz for providing us with this amazing car and for flying us out here to review it for you. So let's get it on and start talking about the front of the EQS53 AMG, guys. A lot of differences when talking about the base EQS, but let's talk about the similarities. Here we have the EQS headlights. These are the digital headlight unit, which is quite nice. We have the one single LED and 3 LED dots, as you can see. And since this is an EQ model, we also have this LED bar, which we only have with the EQS. For example, with the EQE, we don't have it. And since we have an AMG here, we have the so-called Panamericana front grille right in front of us. And at this point, it's not a grille. This is just a full black panel. And yeah, and the look of the AMG grille, which looks kind of cool, gives this car a very, very sporty touch, to be honest. In the front, we have the Mercedes Benz star emblem, yeah, the 3D one, and the front camera as well. All in all, talking about the front bumper and the intakes here, as we have no night package on this car, which looks very nice. Full finished in chrome. The AMG line styling. You can instantly see the AMG look on this. Looking very sporty. All in all, guys, how do you like it? I really appreciate the AMG look of this. The one bow design on this. It's a big innovation for Mercedes-Benz. The car has been driven. As you can see, it's a bit dirty. Let's just still talk about the wheels, which look extremely dirty. I'm sorry at this point, but these here are the biggest wheel options for the EQS53, 22 inches. We have presented you the 21 inches back in the days. Guys, which one do you prefer? These or the other ones in full black finish? They look very cool, like an aero finish, but I think cleaning them must be very difficult. Great option on this, especially with this exterior paint. On the side, everything full finished in chrome. We have no tinted windows. We have the seamless door handles here. As soon as we unlock the car, they move out, and as soon as we lock it, it moves back in. You can also just swipe and they move out. These are also illuminated with the EQS. In the back again, 21 inches. And something very cool on this EQS, we have the rear axle steering, which can turn the rear wheel up to 10 degrees in the opposite direction. Now, guys, let's talk about the rear. But yeah, look at this. What an amazing view and place to review this car. Here we have the EQS53 AMG rear, and to be honest guys, there is not even a huge difference when talking about the base EQS and the AMG version. Yeah, let's just focus on the taillights first. These are exactly the same as we have with the base version. The helix design, we also have this aero flap, the LED bar. All in all, just love the look. It's extremely dirty at this point. I'm so sorry, but just arrived here and I had to take this video in front of this amazing view. AMG badge, Mercedes-Benz EQS badge, and yeah, the only and main difference is, in the rear diffuser, instead of having 2 of these chrome stripes, we have 3, and the diffuser itself is way sportier than the base one. And in addition to that, we also have a rear spoiler here, which adds a more sportier look. But all in all guys, how do you like the exterior of the EQS AMG? Just leave it all in the comment section below. Before we now step inside and before I present you a very nice looking interior, I have the key right in front of me. We have the AMG emblem here as well, below the star. In the back again, this looks very cool. Unlocking the EQS, and it's time to review the interior. But guys, before we step inside, there's also something very cool. When you unlock the EQS and the EQS AMG here, listen to the sound. You hear that? Listen again. This is so cool. Okay, last time for you. Wow, it sounds like a spaceship, honestly. Let me step inside. Normally you would have the comfort doors, but I don't think that you have them for the EQS AMG. So as soon as you approach the door with the normal base EQS, it opens fully automatic. So I instantly jumped inside, guys, because it's very cool inside the EQS AMG and this interior in specific. Normally, if you now push the brakes, the doors would close automatically. But since we don't have the comfort doors with this, we do it the traditional way, but we still have the soft closing. And you have the nice ambient lighting already covering you. Even though we have sun, you can clearly see it. Let me just start the ignition first. Then you have all the 3 displays turning on. Wow. And the head-up display obviously as well. With the EQS in specific, also with the base model, we have the new hyperscreen interior. Yeah, what does it mean? It's an 144 centimeter display unit, but it's not just one single display as the most of you guys think. As you can see, we have some borders here on the side as well. And in total, we have 3 separate screens, which looks like one entire screen connected. But as we have the EQS AMG version here, we have this. With the Neva Grey interior, this gorgeous looking flat bottom AMG steering wheel, which looks super nice, fits amazing to this. Unfortunately, airbag cover finished in plastic, not the biggest fan, but we have the steering wheel buttons here, which are just essential for this. We have driving modes with slippery, individual, comfort, sport, Sport Plus. You also need to hear it a bit, okay? You have different sounds coming up. Slippery, individual, comfort, no sound, sport, a bit more sound, Sport Plus, it's way louder. It gives a nice feedback also when driving. You can also set the sound and just turn it off or on. It's like the exhaust button back in the days. Space over here for a bag, 2 USB-C charger ports. You have space inside here. There's a lot of space, honestly a lot compared with the S-Class. Wireless charging ports. You have 2 cup holders, which are also cool to use. USB-C charger ports, a lot more space. This finished in a wooden trim, lovely. And here on top, again, like a nice leather trim. I love this in brown. Open it up, a lot of space. With the S-Class, you don't have this much space inside. I mean, with the hyperscreen itself and the ambient lighting, it gives a nice living room feeling right here. Talking about the seat, full Neva Grey, bright interior leather. AMG emblem on the headrest, AMG badge also here. Ambient lighting strap on the seat as well. And here on top we have the panorama roof, which is huge. Okay, you can control by this unit over here. And you have a lot of interior light coming in. Amazing. I love this. Something that I have to demonstrate you is this menu here. You can set the driving modes from powerful, sport, balance with the sound. You can instantly hear it. It's literally just a sound box. So here with the suspension, I just love how you have the render of the car itself. And then you can set the driving, moderate, sport, dynamic. And also here on top, you see that? All in all, guys, how do you like the interior of this? Let's just now step outside and finish it off with a resume. So that's it basically for today's video, guys. How do you like the brand new EQS53 AMG here? At this point right away, I would normally do a sound check, but unfortunately we don't have a sound. Just when driving, you have a nice feedback when talking about the sound. Guys, how do you like this spec? Do you prefer the full black one, which I presented you a few months ago, or would you go with this? What would you like to see next with the EQS53? Should we compare this with the base EQS? Leave it all in the comment section below. Looking forward to see you all again and wish you all a great day. I will be back.